Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download and navigate through the Ink and Clay 45 virtual exhibition. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the inkclay45.com website and go to the virtual exhibition tab. There are instructions that you can read through here, and there's a few different buttons at the bottom. There's one for downloading the Mac and Windows version of the virtual exhibition. I'm going to download the Mac since that's the software I'm using. Once the download is complete, click the arrow, Show in Finder, and double-click to unzip the folder. Once you unzip that folder, you'll have a regular folder that you can go into, and you can read the instructions PDF if you'd like, and the other file in that folder is going to be the virtual exhibition application. So to open the virtual exhibition, you'll double-click the file that says Ink and Clay 45. This notice pops up because we're using a software that isn't in the App Store, so just click Cancel, and then right-click that same file and click Open. When you get this other notice, you'll click Open, and this is going to open the virtual exhibition application. And it'll be a black screen, and it might take a few minutes to load, so just be patient until you see the gallery. To download for Windows, follow the same first steps, and once it's downloaded, click Show in Folder, and then double-click that folder to open it up, and double-click that folder again, and then you will double-click the file that says Ink and Clay 45. When this shows up, you'll just click Extract All, Extract, and wait for this. Alright, then double-click that folder again, and double-click the Ink and Clay 45, and you'll just have to click More Info, and then Run Anyway. Once you see the gallery like this, you'll need to click your mouse one time in the exhibition to activate it, and then you can start navigating through using either your arrow keys or the WASD keys on your keyboard. The W key will take you forward, the A key will take you to the left, S will take you backwards, and D will take you to the right. Or similarly, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to take you in those same corresponding directions. And as you can see, as you near the doors, they will open, allowing you inside the gallery. So you can navigate around the gallery, and each piece is clickable, so you can click it, and a caption in the artist statement will appear. You can enlarge the image, and then you can view the artist statement again, or simply go back to the gallery. Once you've navigated around the gallery and viewed all of the artworks, you can click your Escape key to exit out of the application.